Hello everyone, my name is Ying Chen. Before I give a speech, I would like to ask you a question. What is the most treasured thing in a person's life? Different people have different answers. Some people say it's happiness. Some people say it's money. Some people say it's family. What's your answer? I have seen a news report that someone used 10,000 to describe a person's life. One for healthy, zero for caring, money, family, love, house. But once you lose one, you lose everything. Therefore, it can be said the healthy is most important. But how do we keep us healthy? Our diet is one of the most important facts. There are a lot of GM food on the market. But what is GM? The non-GMO stand genetic modifier organism are living organisms whose genetic material has been made by a mean modifier in a laboratory through the genetic engineer. Transgenic technology is use of the DNA recombination, transformation, and other technologies to transfer special exogenous target genes into receivable organism and make it produce predictable target genetic changes. According to U.S. Department of Agriculture, most packaged food contain corns, beans, and sugar beets. Most of the groups grows in North America have been genetic modified. Transgenic technology brings more and high quality food to agriculture. Transgenic groups have good insect resistance. Every year, all-in-one pests cause huge loss to the agriculture. Genetically modified groups solve this problem well. The growth cycle of the genetically modified groups is release short. In the past, the mountain can be produced once a year, but genetically modified groups can produce twice as much. I have introduced the principle of GM, and I will cover rather GM food are health. Safety assessment of genetically modified foods. Correctly, the scientist community use only toxicity, sensitivity, and stability testing. The National Institute of Toxicology in Seoul, South Korea use GMO contained potatoes or non-GMO potatoes on mouse, and they were not found to be harmful to humans. Use small animal to test genetically modified food sounds cruel, but this is inevitable in scientists' research. There are many cases of genetically modified foods, but so far there is no example of GM food. But GM food to help people through a lot of difficulties. Gold rice is a good example. Add genes from the corn and harmless bacteria to rice to significantly increase the beta-carotene content in rice. Beta-carotene is one of the essential nutrients of the human body. Then I want to talk about genetically modified food on the market. A study by the School of Food and Agriculture Sciences of the United States, Rolanda, find that customers are willing to pay 4 times more for food labeled non-GMO than original food labeled USDA. Many people think that expensive is a good idea and choose expensive products. But I don't know if GM food are affordable because the cost of the plants are failing during growth. Genetically modified food on the market also have corresponding trading marks. This means GM food has more nutritional value in contrast to the same food. People can buy better food at a low price. I introduced the original of the genetic modification, safety of the genetically modified food, and the genetically modified food on the market. I think there should be more truth when we buy food in the future. Thank you.